I have roamed this wide world over. I've sailed the seven seas. I got no chains around me. I just wander where I please. Now I met a girl that I can't forget. She just won't leave my mind. And where she lives or where she's gone, I guess I'll never find. She wore a silver locket with a picture of her home. Just a lonely little cottage on a hillside all alone. Now I wondered where this cottage was, but all she let me know that it's somewhere on the borderline of Galway and Mayo. It's a long, long way from Denver to the west of Ireland, but it justified my journey just to see that lovely land. From the Colorado mountains and their singing whippoorwills to the green, green grass of Ireland and the lovely Mount Turk Hills. And if I ever find her, how happy I would be with a vision of her beauty that would haunt my memory. Will my heart take me a-searching to a land I do not know, to the cottage on the borderline of Galway and Mayo, to the cottage on the borderline of Galway and Mayo.